We want to discuss problem number 16 in the homework, and they're basically saying I have a limit expression here. I don't want you to do calculation. I'm telling you it's equivalent to the derivative of a function at a particular point. So could you please tell me what exactly is the function and what exactly is the particular point? I understand the notation itself is a little bit confusing, so we can rephrase this delta x into h. So the problem can be phrased as limit h approaches 0 for square root of 7 plus h minus square root of 7 over h. And hopefully this looks a little bit better. And if you were to compare it with the notation of derivative, which was f of a plus h minus f of a over h. I'm using a here because I'm talking about derivative at a particular point, not the general format. Therefore, those two should be matching with each other. Those two should be matching with each other if we were to compare their notation. So I have roots of 7 plus h equals f of a plus h. And I should be having square root of 7 to be f of a. Well, the second one is not too helpful, but if we were to look at the first one, the expression that was added to h clearly is 7. So because of that, I could find a being 7. So rephrase the problem one more time. What I end up with is square root of a plus h, or 7 plus h is f of 7 plus h. Root 7 is f of 7. So based on this, you are supposed to find out what's the function f of x. Well, look at it. F of something is basically what type of manipulation you do with the given expression. So f of 7 plus h is to take square root of 7 plus h. F of 7 is to take square root of 7. So basically, whatever I give you, you are supposed to take square root of that. So we find our answer where the particular point is 7, and the function is supposed to be square root of x. So you technically have different ways to answer this question. You could have had a being 6 and f of x being square root of x plus 1. Mathematically, it's going to be equivalent, but we only look for the simplest expression. So I would have square root of x here, and I would have 7 here to be the final answer.